Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is vibrating excessively and struggling to pick up dirt, you're not alone. This issue can often arise from a worn-out motor or blockages within the vacuum. If left unchecked, it could lead to further damage and a more costly repair down the line. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement motor for the Dyson SV12, and some soft cloths for cleaning. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Carefully remove the bin and any attachments. Using your screwdriver, take out the screws located at the base of the vacuum. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. With the screws removed, gently prise open the casing, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once opened, locate the motor. It's typically situated near the top compartment. You might notice some dust buildup around it. Use a soft cloth to clean this area gently. To remove the motor, you'll need to disconnect a few wires. Note their positions for reassembly. After disconnecting the wires, unscrew the motor from its mount. If you feel any resistance, check for additional screws you may have missed. With the motor free, replace it with a new one, ensuring it's securely fitted in place. Reconnect the wires exactly how you noted them earlier. This is crucial for the vacuum's functionality. Now, carefully close the casing, ensuring all clips are aligned and the screws are in their respective holes. Tighten the screws gently but firmly, being cautious not to over-tighten and risk damaging the plastic. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once closed, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and give it a test run. Listen for any unusual sounds and check if the vibration has been resolved. If all seems well, congratulations, you've successfully fixed your vacuum. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. Regular maintenance goes a long way in keeping your Dyson running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.